Welcome back friends, and in your Samsung mobile if you are finding storage problem, your storage is automatically getting full, hanging problem, your mobile is hanging, battery problem, your battery is draining frequently, and you are facing low data problem, means you are recharging your mobile and data is consuming very fast. In this video I am going to tell you 4-5 things which you need to check, and after checking and applying the things which I am going to tell you in this video, you will feel the considerable difference in your performance of your mobile. Storage will be increased, hanging problem will be reduced, battery problem may get solved, and data saving can be increased. So not wasting much of your time, if you are new to the channel, please do consider to subscribe this channel after watching this video. So the very first thing I wanted to tell you is go to the Google Play Store, and in the Play Store you need to check 2-3 things. The first thing, go to the profile button, and after that, 1 minute, go back, this manage app and devices, go here, and here you will see, go to the manage, and in manage you will see all the installed app. If you are not wanting any app, delete from here, but I am here to tell you another things. Just tap on here, drop down menu, not installed. Here are the apps which you have deleted from your mobile, but some data in MBs also you can see is here, residual data is here in this mobile. So you can select each app and you can delete. So I have selected all and deleted it. So from here we can see the increase in the storage space. Secondly, again go back and go to the main menu. Here just tap on the profile, tap on the setting here, and in setting you will go to network preferences, and here app download preference, just ask me every time. Now you can control. Okay, auto update apps, just don't auto update apps. Autoplay videos, just don't autoplay. By doing this you can control the data. Okay, storage you have controlled, you have freed some space, and from here you can control the data. Third thing I want to tell you, just go back and you will end up here. Just tap on the profile button, and now play protect. From here you can scan your mobile and any harmful apps which may cause your mobile misbehave, means you can get the hanging problem in your mobile. So just scan, and only that apps which are not harmful to your mobile will be downloaded. Just scan. This is very important thing. Many of the malwares maybe get downloaded through any of the ways. So just scan, no harmful apps found. So this was the third thing. And fourth, just come out from here, go to the settings, find out that apps, and then in apps, 1 minute, just find out Google Play Store, and in Play Store go to the battery. Here just go to the restricted one, means this will restrict battery usage while running into the background. And then go to the storage. Here just clear data and clear cache. Okay, and go to the battery. Okay, restricted, and that's all. These two settings you need to do. So first thing, I will summarize all the things which I have told you. First, in Google Play Store, just delete uninstalled apps. Then for data, just don't auto update or ask for every time, just do that settings. Then scan for any harmful apps, and then in the apps you have to go to Google product and you can change as I have told in this video. So this is all what I wanted to tell you in this video. If you like this, please do consider to subscribe this channel.